Hello there. Welcome back to Daily English 10, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm here with my co-host today.
Hey everyone, it's wonderful to have you all listening. I'm feeling absolutely fantastic right now. I had such a peaceful weekend.
That sounds lovely. I'm doing excellent as well. I'm really excited about what we're discussing today.
Oh, yes, this is something countless English learners ask us about constantly. It's such a common challenge.
A common challenge? Okay, now I'm curious. What exactly are we talking about?
Today, we're addressing this issue. I understand English perfectly, but speaking feels impossible.
That's absolutely the biggest problem students face. I hear this from people all the time.
Same here. They tell me I can watch films, I can follow podcasts, but when I attempt to speak, my mind goes blank.
Yes, the vocabulary just disappears. Everything feels frozen.
Exactly right. It's like your ability to speak gets locked away. But today we're sharing some effective and practical strategies to help everyone discover their English voice.
That sounds wonderful. This is going to be a really valuable episode.
It absolutely is. But hold on, before we begin, we have a quick friendly request for everyone tuning in.
Yes, if you're enjoying our podcast and learning with us, please take just a moment to give this episode a thumbs up. It genuinely helps our channel expand and helps other learners discover us.
And please hit that subscribe button for Daily English 10. That way you won't miss any of our new episodes.
Thank you all tremendously. Your support means everything to us.
All right, I'm ready. My speaking ability is locked. How do I find the key?
Okay, the first strategy is to transform how you listen.
Transform my listening? But I already comprehend everything. Isn't that sufficient?
Comprehension is excellent. It's the first step. But we need to shift our listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What does that involve?
Passive listening happens when you're multitasking. Perhaps you're cleaning or driving and English is playing in the background. You comprehend, but you're not fully focused.
Ah, yes, I definitely do that frequently.
Active listening is when you listen and simultaneously repeat what you hear.
Oh, so I hear a phrase and then say that phrase aloud?
Yes, there's an excellent technique called shadowing.
Shadowing, like my shadow following me?
Exactly like that. You become the speaker's shadow. You listen to a podcast or a brief video and attempt to repeat what the person says simultaneously.
At the same time? Wow, that sounds incredibly challenging.
It can be, so you can begin simply. Listen to one phrase, hit pause, then repeat that phrase.
Okay, listen, pause, repeat. I can manage that.
And when you develop more confidence, you can attempt to speak along with the speaker. It's perfectly fine if it's not flawless.
I understand. So I'm not merely hearing English, I'm producing English. I'm practicing the sounds and rhythm of the language.
You expressed it perfectly. The rhythm of the language. It trains your ears and mouth to coordinate.
That's an excellent first strategy. Active listening, shadowing. I really like it. What comes next?
The next strategy is to establish your English mode.
My English mode? What's that? Like becoming a secret superhero?
Yes, exactly. It's a dedicated time in your day when you exclusively think and speak in English.
Only think in English? Oh, that's challenging. My brain prefers my native language.
Naturally, but you can practice. The most effective way is talking to yourself.
Talk to myself. Okay, people might think I'm slightly crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. You simply narrate your activities.
Narrate? You mean describe what I'm doing?
Yes. For instance, when you're in the kitchen, you say, "All right, I'm preparing coffee now. I need a mug. Where's the milk?"
Ah, the milk is in the refrigerator. Oh, I can definitely do that. I'm sitting in a studio. I'm talking with my co-host. I'm happy.
See? You're already doing it. Excellent job.
It feels somewhat silly initially, but it's incredibly powerful.
Why is it powerful?
Because it forces your brain to locate the vocabulary. It's not just comprehension, you must produce the language.
Ah, my brain has to work harder. I need cup. It's practice for real-life situations.
Precisely. Attempt it for just 5 or 10 minutes daily. That's your English mode.
Okay, I'll definitely try. So I'm shadowing and talking to myself. But what if I don't know the vocabulary? I stop because I'm searching.
Searching, that's the perfect question. And this is strategy number 3. Stop memorizing isolated words.
Stop? Stop learning new vocabulary? But I need more words.
No, I mean stop memorizing word lists like cat, dog, book, house. This isn't very useful for speaking.
So what should I learn instead?
You should learn chunks.
Chunks. Like a chunk of chocolate?
I love chocolate chunks, but no, chunks are word groups. They're phrases, they're sentence starters.
Okay, give me an example of a chunk.
Instead of learning the word point, learn the entire chunk. That's a good point.
Oh, that's a good point. I can use that in conversations.
Yes. Or instead of learning the word mean, learn the chunk, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Or let me see. Or that's interesting.
Oh, these are like tools. They're ready to use immediately. I don't have to construct a sentence.
Exactly right. You don't have to think about grammar. You simply use the chunk. It makes you sound natural and gives your brain time to think of the next idea.
Oh, these are like shortcuts for fluency. I love that concept.
Learn chunks, not isolated words.
Yes. Now, the next strategy is perhaps the most crucial one. Okay, I'm ready.
You must speak every single day.
Every day? Oh, I'm so busy. I have work. I'm exhausted. I don't have time.
It doesn't have to be 1 hour, just 5 or 10 minutes, but daily.
So 5 minutes daily is more effective than 2 hours on Saturday.
Yes, much more effective. Speaking English is a skill like playing piano or playing football. You must practice regularly.
It keeps the English muscle in your brain active.
Yes, but then the next question is, who do I talk to?
Right. I'm shy. I don't live in an English-speaking country.
You can talk to your phone.
My phone? My phone doesn't respond to me.
No, you use the voice recorder app. You record yourself.
Oh no, I don't want to do that. I dislike my voice. I'll hear my terrible accent.
No, your accent isn't terrible. Your accent is simply you. This is an incredibly effective tool.
You can ask yourself a simple question like, what?
Like, what did I do today? And then you answer. You press record and say, today I woke up. I was tired. I went to work. I ate a sandwich for lunch.
And then I listen to the recording.
Yes, you listen and think, oh, I said that very well. Or you think, that word was difficult. I'll practice that word.
So I'm my own teacher.
You are, and there's no pressure. Nobody is watching. It's just you and your phone. It's fantastic practice.
Okay, I'll try it. It sounds a bit scary, but I understand why it's a good idea.
It is. And here's another enjoyable way to practice. Very similar. Role playing.
Role-playing, like in a film?
Yes, you imagine a situation. You're at a restaurant, you're at the airport, you're in a job interview.
And I talk to the wall?
Yes, you talk to the wall, or you talk to your dog or your cat. You pretend. You can be both people.
Okay, let's try. Hello, sir. Welcome. What would you like to order?
I would like a pizza, please.
A pizza, okay. And to drink?
I'll have water, please.
This is enjoyable.
It is enjoyable, and it trains your brain to react in English. It prepares you for real situations.
So when you're actually at a restaurant, your brain doesn't freeze.
It doesn't freeze.
Ah, that's the big problem, freezing. This trains the brain to improvise.
I love this idea. Now we have to discuss the biggest, scariest monster in the room.
A monster? Oh no, what is it?
The fear of mistakes.
Ah, yes, that's a very big monster. I understand completely. I don't speak because I'm afraid. I'm afraid my grammar is wrong. I'm afraid people will laugh.
Everyone feels this way, every single learner. But I want to tell everyone a secret.
A secret? Tell us.
Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No, mistakes are bad. They're red marks on my test.
No, in speaking, mistakes are beneficial. A mistake is proof. It's proof that you're trying. It's proof that you're brave.
I never considered it that way. A mistake means I'm brave.
Yes, you cannot learn to speak without making many mistakes. It's impossible. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
Wow, that's a very powerful idea. So I should just speak even if it's not perfect.
Yes, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I'm going to write that down. I love it. Did the other person understand your idea? Yes? Then you win. You did a great job.
That takes all the stress away.
Okay, I'll try to be brave and make friends with my mistakes.
Please do. And that brings us to our final big strategy. To stop freezing, you must practice responding.
Responding? You mean answering?
Yes, listening is wonderful, but a conversation is two-way. It's listen, speak, listen, speak.
That's the hard part, the fast part.
It is, so you must practice it. You can use an AI like a chatbot on your phone. You ask it questions and it asks you questions. You must answer.
Ah, so I train my answer speed.
Yes, or you can find a friend who's also learning or a teacher. The secret is to train your brain to reply, not just to listen.
Listening is passive, replying is active.
This all makes so much sense. It's all connected. Active listening, active thinking in English mode, and active replying.
You got it. That's the whole plan. The English is in your head. You do understand. These strategies are the bridge. They help you move the English from your ears to your mouth.
Wow, these strategies were so helpful. I feel motivated. I feel like I can speak.
You can speak. You speak beautifully.
Thank you. But these are very practical ideas. Let's do a quick review.
Great idea.
Okay, strategy 1, practice shadowing. Listen and repeat. Strategy 2, create your English mode. Talk to yourself. Strategy 3, learn chunks, those word groups, not isolated words. Strategy 4, practice every single day, even just for 5 or 10 minutes. Strategy 5, record your voice on your phone. Be brave and listen. Strategy 6, do role plays. Pretend you're ordering a pizza. Strategy 7, make friends with your mistakes. Remember, communication, not perfection. And strategy 8, practice responding. Train your brain to reply.
That's a powerful plan. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome, and thank you all for listening today. We truly hope these strategies help you unlock your English voice.
Yes, remember, understanding is a wonderful skill, but your voice is the bridge to connection. Speak every day, even if it's imperfect. That's how fluency begins.
That's so true. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
It is. Before you go, please, if you liked this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English 10, and please give this episode a like so other learners can find it, and share it with a friend who feels stuck.
Yes, and we have a question for you. Please leave a comment for us below. We want to know, which one of these strategies will you try first?
Yes, will you try shadowing or talking to yourself or recording your voice? Let us know in the comments. We love reading your answers.
We do. It's our favorite part.
Thank you all so much for joining us. Until next time, everyone, keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.